Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning what you want to capture. Make it visible and clear. Once done, confirm your laptop OS and keyboard layout so you use the correct shortcut. For Windows, decide between print screen, Alt plus print screen, or Win plus Shift plus S. For Mac OS, pick CMD plus Shift plus 3 or CMD plus Shift plus 4. For Linux, check your distro shortcuts or use Flameshot. Make sure a save destination or app is ready. That prevents lost images and speeds the next steps. Now execute the capture using the method you chose. For precise selection on Windows, press Win plus Shift plus S, then drag to select. This copies to the clipboard and shows a notification. Click it to edit. On Mac OS, CMD plus Shift plus 4 lets you drag a selection. Press space to capture a single window. On Linux, launch Flameshot for annotation, then drag and save. Make sure to name and place the file logically. That saves time later when you need to find or share the image. Finish by saving and, if needed, annotating the snapshot. You should export as PNG for lossless quality or JPG to lower file size, then give a clear file name and folder. Use simple edits, crop, arrows, or blur, so the image communicates the point. If something goes wrong, first verify hotkeys aren't overridden by other apps, confirm clipboard and file permission settings, restart the screenshot utility, or reboot your laptop. One reliable troubleshooting tip: toggle the OS screenshot permission for the app and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.